little scientists! Welcome back to Kid Zone by Anjuman Ara. Today we are going on a fiery science adventure to learn about one of the most powerful natural wonders on Earth, volcanoes. Have you ever seen a volcano erupt with hot lava shooting into the sky?
Today we will learn what volcanoes are, why volcanoes erupt, what lava is, different types of volcanoes, amazing volcano facts. Get ready for an explosive learning adventure. A volcano is a mountain with an opening deep inside Earth. Hot melted rock from underground can escape. When magma comes out of the volcano, it is called lava. Volcanoes can smoke, erupt,
Shake the ground, release hot lava and ash. Some volcanoes are very quiet, and some are extremely powerful. Deep inside Earth, it is very hot. Earth has several layers: crust, mantle, core.
The mantle contains super hot melted rock called magma. When pressure builds underground, magma pushes upward toward the surface. Sometimes it escapes through a volcano. Amazing science.
Let's learn how volcanoes erupt. Step 1, magma gathers underground. Step 2, gas and pressure.
Step 3, the pressure becomes too strong. Step 4, boom, the volcano erupts. Hot lava, ash, smoke, and rocks burst into the air. Magma becomes lava when it reaches Earth's surface. That is called a volcanic eruption.
Lava is extremely hot melted rock. Some lava can be hotter than 1,000 degrees. Wow, that is
hotter than an oven. Lava glows red, orange, yellow. As lava cools down, it turns
into solid rock. Some islands and mountains were created by old lava.
There are different kinds of volcanoes. Active volcanoes. These volcanoes, dormant volcanoes.
Active volcanoes. These volcanoes can erupt again. Dormant volcanoes. These volcanoes are sleeping right now. These volcanoes are not expected to erupt again. Nature is fascinating.
Volcanoes do not only release lava, they also release volcanic ash. Volcanic ash is made of tiny rock particles and
Ash clouds can travel high into the sky. Sometimes airplanes must avoid volcanic ash because it can be dangerous. There are many famous volcanoes around the world. Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, Mount Fuji in Japan, Krakatoa in Indonesia. Some volcanoes are very tall and beautiful. People travel from around the world to see them safely.
Did you know some volcanoes are underwater? That's right! Many volcanoes are hidden deep beneath the ocean. When underwater volcanoes erupt, they can create new islands, hot steam, and giant bubbles. Earth is full of surprises. Volcanoes may look scary, but they also help Earth. Volcanic ash makes soil rich and healthy for plants.
Many farmers grow crops near old volcanoes because the soil is very fertile. Volcanoes also create mountains, islands, new land. Nature can be powerful and helpful at the same time. Scientists carefully study volcanoes to help keep people safe. They watch for small earthquakes,
smoke, rising magma, heat changes. If a volcano may erupt, people move to safer places. Wow! Safety is very important.
Great. Here are some awesome volcano facts. Earth has thousands of volcanoes. The largest volcano in our solar system is on Mars.
some eruptions can last for days or even years. Volcanoes can create brand new islands. Lava becomes rock after cooling down. Wow! Volcanoes are incredible! Let's remember what we learned today. Volcanoes are openings in Earth's crust. Magma underground becomes lava above ground pressure causes eruptions. Lava is extremely hot. Volcanoes can create
Mountains and islands. Excellent work, little scientists.
Now you know how volcanoes erupt and how lava forms. Science is full of exciting discoveries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends. See you next time. Bye, little scientists.